What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is part of the tender Locomotive S10 made by Lemaco. I believe it's under 100 made total. So the production day 2005, something like this. It's written in special plate. Well, it's gorgeous. It's super detailed stuff. And this is one of probably number one of most not complicated, I'll take it back, most like toughest installation I did over the years. The complicity, I'm calculating numbers from 10 to 1, and it's about solid 8. But I change approach like 4 times with connection between boiler and tender, with the lights. Where I'm going to put is obviously the position of the speaker in the tender, but it's different. So I know what I'm doing like 100% right now. Just need to execute it. And a couple of things I'm not happy how they actually assemble it. Maybe like 10, 15 years ago, it was different, tell me, but this is relatively new model. So they have a lot of tricks how to open it. Definitely, you need a lot of popcorn, guys. I'll show you everything. Like how they trace the wires and connectors and everything. And that's what we're starting today with this actually plug and power plug, let's say. Yeah, details, it's just unbelievable. Springs here on those trucks, bumpers with the springs. It means it's some models they have it means for years, but it's just so delicate and so nice. Here's one more thing I'm not happy about: original lenses. They pop up very easily. They not really good quality. A little bit surprised me for the price range of the Locomotive and quality of Lemaco. Anyway, I'm making my own, so I pop them very easily. The glue probably disintegrated. I'm not talking about like 30 years old brass locomotive. It's relatively new. Anyway, so they should do more research on the glue what they're using, or test it at least. Yeah, new lenses, LED, should be very nice. Here's I want to show you problem number one. When I take the cover of that tender and start looking inside, taking actually original wiring out, one wire pop up from here. It was cold soldering. Just, guys, newer world, everything tried to do like fast, but I didn't even smell any flux. Yeah, that was a surprise. So those brand new Miniatronics. And for today's video, I'm just going to assemble everything together. You'll see the tiny, tiny little screws. Okay, you need a probably magnetized screwdriver to make it easy to work. Okay, and this is contacts. There are 2 contacts. The connector. Sorry if you see only my hands, but that's usually what's happening with the small stuff. There you go. Should be good. Also, not all screws really, which is not big deal, not all screws really tight. So if you have some models brass, just check them out one more time. It's not gonna hurt. Those screws were like really loose. Okay, there is no spring or anything to guide that thing. It just connects to the boiler. Here we go. Red plastic, mostly for black and red locomotives, and this is it. That thing locks the mechanism. The mechanism I like, so I can use two of those connectors between tender and the locomotive. The power goes one wire to those two wheels up front and two to the rear. I just need to keep my wires proper marked, so avoiding any shorts when I'm putting boiler and tender together. Here I go. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye-bye.